Hello everyone. Today I have a recipe for a delicious and easy to prepare Maxi King cake without baking. As always, I'd like to invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to stay up to date with my recipes. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. The same list is in the description below the video, where I've also added a link to my blog, where you'll find all my recipes. To start, we need 500 milliliters of chilled cream. You can also use 365 milliliters of mascarpone cheese and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whip everything together until the cream is stiff and ready. It will be thick right away, which is how it should be. Next, prepare a 20 by 30 centimeter baking tray and line it with baking paper. Line the cocoa biscuits with baking paper, then spread half of the cream mixture on top. Now add the butter biscuits. You can use only light or only dark biscuits, or like me, put the dark ones on the bottom and the light ones on top. Next, spread a can of butterscotch on the biscuits. Then lay out the second part, the cream. Here, between the cream and the butterscotch, you can add an extra layer of biscuits for stability. The cream will minimally combine with the butterscotch, but it doesn't hinder us from cutting nice cubes. If you want, you can add an additional layer of biscuits here. Spread gently just so as not to combine the butterscotch with the cream and put on another layer of light biscuits. Then put the dough in the fridge to cool until the topping is ready. For the topping, we need 100 g of milk chocolate, 100 g of dark chocolate and 1/4 cup of milk. Melt it all in a water bath over steam until the chocolate melts, then add peanuts to the slightly cooled mixture. Then, after mixing, pour it over our dough, but remember, it can't be too liquidy, otherwise it'll soak into the dough or the cookies. It needs to be slightly cooled down first, and then you can freely spread it over the dough. I put about 20 grams of chopped peanuts on top and sprinkle it on top of the dough, then put it in the fridge to cool, preferably overnight. As you can see, the recipe is very simple. The cake looks beautiful, it's very tasty, so be sure to prepare it. Of course, watch my next videos. You can find this and other recipes on the blog, and I always provide a link in the video description. Thank you. Best regards.